name's Alex, and I'm going to show you how to create a gradient mesh in Photoshop. So I'm going to start by putting it on this ball shape. So I'm actually going to draw another circle here, and I'm going to move it towards, whoops, I'm actually going to do that on a new layer. Move that here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to rasterize this layer. And you won't be able to see it at first, but then you're going to go to FX. You're going to do gradient overlay. And what I'm going to choose is this here, but I'm actually going to make it white. Say OK. Everything looks good. I'm just going to free transform it and just move it. Oops. Actually, you're going to have to convert that to a smart object. Right click, convert to smart object, rasterize it. Then I'm going to free transform it and just move it so that the light source is coming from the top here. And that's your gradient mesh there. But if you want to add some more details, you can free transform it, warp, and you can play around with the shape like so. So it's got more of a bubbling kind of look to it, if that's what you're interested in. Say okay, and there's your, and it looks kind of shiny. My name is Alex, and this is how you do a gradient mesh in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.